Welcome back. We're Stuart joining us from the Big Little Science Center on this Thursday afternoon. Welcome back to the show. Yeah. How are things going? Good to have you.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Good. We're just playing with this little experiment here. Nothing's going to explode today, so I'm totally thrilled about that.
Yeah, no explosions though.
No, good. What is this all about? This is a physics experiment.
Yeah, it's a physics thing. It's called an Euler's disk, and it's like spinning a coin. When you spin a coin on edge, you'll spin it. Eventually it'll start to spin down and fall over, and it seems to get faster.
Yes.
This is kind of designed to really emphasize that.
Right.
So it'll spin for quite a long time. If we get it spinning.
Let's get the close-up first, though. Let's let Dan get the close-up before you start it.
Okay, I'm just going to put my sparklies back on too here because I got those there. So now is he?
Not yet. Here we go.
Okay.
There it is.
So I'm going to give it a spin, and it starts like that. It'll just continue to spin, and as it goes down, it'll spin faster and faster.
See, I would expect it to slow down and stop right about now, but the truth is this is going to go on for about 45 more seconds.
Yeah, probably at least. Yeah, because it's very low friction the way it's designed, and that's what the less friction. The friction is the thing that does slow it down. So on a coin, that's why the coin slows down faster. There's more friction.
Right.
So a coin will spin like this too, but just not as much. Or if you have a wedding ring or something like that, it'll also do a similar kind of action.
Tell me this: if you were to be spinning this right now on the glass here and not on this mirror, would that make a difference?
Wouldn't make too much, but this has got a slight dip to it to keep it in the middle. Otherwise, it would wander around a little bit because it's traveling in a circle as well as spinning. So
right.
So it would wander on a flat surface. This is a little bit of a concave surface to keep it centered.
Yeah.
So it doesn't just wander around, but you can see it goes for quite a while.
I can't believe how long it goes for. It's sort of like an exacerbated loony.
Yeah.
Like it's the effect of like a loony would have, but
it's the same thing a loony does, except it's designed to be less friction in this setup. So less friction means it lasts longer.
Yeah.
So the effect is the same. It's just a longer lasting effect.
Right. I would have learned great things if I hadn't dropped out of physics, but I did. You know, I just wasn't
Well, physics
good.
people love to test and explain this, and they introduce the air friction and a bunch of other things into there, what's going on, and all the different angles, and it looks really, really complicated.
Right. I feel stressed out right now. Why is that?
This is just going faster and faster.
Oh my God, stop this from happening. It's got to come to a stop here eventually, right?
Yeah, eventually it'll stop, yeah. It gets to the angle, so the angle's too flat for it to actually rotate, and it'll just kind of stop instantly when it gets flat.
This is how I feel when I drink too much coffee.
Yeah, right about there. Yeah.
Okay. And there she is.
There, we're done.
That was like a minute.
Yeah, it goes for a while when you get a good spin going on.
It's very cool.
It is fun. And like I say, the physics people get really excited about trying to explain it with formulas and all the rest of it. But
tell me about your camps. You guys have some great summer camps going on.
Yeah,
robotics is already full, though.
Yeah, robotics camp is already full. We're looking at the possibility of a second one. So if somebody's really interested, let us know, and we'll see if we can pick a date for that.
Sure.
We still have our junior science camp. We still have room in that one. Our 3D design and printing camp as well has some room still in it. And then we have a senior science camp coming in the first full week of August. I think it starts the 8th or something like that. That's also got a bit of room in there as well.
Okay.
So we have those camps filling up. If you want more information, check out the website. It's got all that stuff, and plus a registration form and all that to come in. And then, of course, through the summer, we have our normal Tuesday to Saturday opening. The difference in the summer compared to regular hours is we actually have shows twice a day, Tuesday to Saturday now. So right through the week, there's an activity or a show going on twice a day, usually at 11 and 1:30. So there's different activities you can catch during the week as well.
Fantastic. We have about 20 seconds. Anything else you'd like to add before we say goodbye?
No, just if you're going to register for those camps and clubs, to do it fairly quickly.
Yes.
Because they are filling. And if you want to see how these things work, come by. We'll discuss some of the physics behind it and get some of the people that are smarter than me to discuss really what's going on there.
You're smart enough. What are you talking about?
I just steal other people's ideas.
Gord, thank you for being here today. Information on the screen if you would like to sign up for a summer camp or learn more about when you can drop in and try out some of these experiments.